Hey guys, this is Maggie from KH Battery. Today I'm going to introduce a new product for you. It's a 3.2 voltage 142 ampere hour battery. Is on promotion sale. The price is more favorable, better than the 135 ampere hour battery. The continuous charge is 0.5 C and the discharge current is 1 C. 5 years warranty. Good performance and brand new battery with original QR code. The battery capacity can reach 145 ampere, including free bath and schools. We will match all cells like capacity, voltage, resistance to ensure consistency and safety before shipment. Any interest, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye.